All right, if you're ever wondering how to add brake fluid to your Tesla Model 3 2018 model or up, there's a way of getting to it. You can't see it right off the bat, but you got to pop this cover off right here in order to access the area where you're going to have the cap. You put the fluid in. Let's pop it off. And you see it right here, the little cap right there. On the cap, it mentions that it requires .3 brake fluid, which I use this one right here, Prestone brake fluid .3. Just take the cap off. This is when you get a warning on your screen inside the car that it requires brake fluid, because won't allow you to perform other functions of the car, and reduces your ability to use other features unless you put your fluids back up to the required levels. Cap off. Just put up to the top as much as you can. Just add a little bit. And topped it off. I already topped it off before, so it's just a little bit. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's snapped in. That's good. And also, if you want to access the 12-volt battery, it's right here. And you could change it as a 12-volt battery. It definitely reduces the functions of your car, how much it requires you to go in for service. You can find out that I believe it's a lithium-ion battery. So you might have to take this whole thing off. I never replaced it, and replaced all the brackets and everything like that to replace that one. So you can easily access those two things. Like and subscribe. Thank you.